wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best women's tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Stalwart 86 piece is a well-organized roll-up pack you'll be glad to have on hand when you're ready to push up your sleeves and get to work. Whether it's tightening up loose cabinet door pulls, giving your bike a quick tune-up, or getting the lawnmower ready for spring. It includes metric sockets and is good value for the money. However, the Velcro closure gives out over time. At number 9, ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip in smaller hands. Everything in the You Go Girl zippered case is solidly built, making it a fine choice for everyday maintenance and minor DIY projects, so long as you're not opposed to the bubblegum pink color scheme. It includes a 16-foot rubber-gripped tape measure and a magnetic nail holder, but it is for light repairs only. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Great Neck Essentials comes in a brightly colored tote with 18 storage pockets, as well as a comfortable carrying handle and shoulder strap, which is good to have if you're a fix-it-up specialist whose mechanical chores are never done. It features a 9-inch magnetic torpedo level and a total of 32 pieces. However, it's not comfortable for larger hands. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for women's tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, perhaps taking the his and hers theme a step too far, the Cartman General Household is available in blue or pink, with a hard-sided case full of basics like a claw hammer, a utility knife, slip joint pliers, hex keys and more, all in line with the chosen color scheme. It meets ANSI critical standards and is a low-cost option, but the included bits don't secure well. Moving up our list to number 6. The original pink box is a compact organizer filled with a wealth of useful items for taking care of spur-of-the-moment auto and home repairs. Choose from basic and emergency kits to keep in your car, or one of several options for everyday household maintenance. It sports brightly colored covering and fits in a purse. It keeps everything organized. Halfway up our list at number 5. The workpro Pink Lady Home Repair contains the lion's share of equipment required to perform myriad household tasks and DIY projects, from securing wall hangings to fixing that broken doorknob, all in a durable canvas bag with an easy access wide mouth opening. It comes with a mini flashlight and an automatically locking measuring tape. It makes a great gift idea. At number 4, a portion of the profits from each Apollo Complete DIY purchase goes toward breast cancer research. So at least in this instance, the colors aren't simply based on gender stereotyping. All components are corrosion resistant with non-slip comfort grips for extra torque. It features 22 pockets and is compact and easy to store. The hex keys come in SAE and metric sizes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Scuddles Gardening bucks the rosy trend with a floral-themed selection that can hold up to heavy daily use. Made of durable stainless steel with smooth wooden handles, it's ideal for routine landscaping work like shaping up a flower bed or cultivating edible crops. It includes construction-grade gloves and a washable heavy-gauge cotton tote. It weighs only 4 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for women's tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for a comprehensive kit for tackling a wide range of home maintenance and repair tasks, consider the Seriously Pink Household, which comes with an assortment of handy implements and essential hardware, including a power screwdriver with a 19-piece bit set. The driver holds its charge for up to 18 months, and this is the perfect starter kit. It includes 101 hardware accessories. And taking the top spot on our list, with a full complement of compact, rechargeable and basic hand tools in sturdy carrying cases. You don't have to love the color to put the pink power cordless combo to good use, from hanging window treatments and assembling furniture to installing a new drip-free faucet. It features an 18-volt drill driver with a magnetic base and a pivot head electric screwdriver, both with plenty of torque to get the job done. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for women's tool sets, or simply click beneath this video.